Hi, sorry I can't be with you today. I'm out on official business with the school, but we still have lots of work to do. Today is the start of the Dreamhouse project. I'd like you all to watch this video and make sure that you understand what you're doing before you get moving. In the next set of slides, you're going to see your team assignments and then some instructions for what to do today. Please make sure you have a copy of the handout because that's going to be very important for you a little bit later on. So you'll need a copy of the handout before you watch the rest of the video here, and then as soon as you're finished watching the video, go ahead and get to work and see if you can make those boxes for each house by the end of the day today. Here are your groups. Please notice that you have been assigned one of the three houses, either the Winter Wonderland, the Concord Manor, or the Looking Glass. You want to meet together in these groups after you finish watching these videos and work through the assignment that I've given you for the day. Now, it's important to realize a couple of things. One, I've given you paper plans of the house that represent a house in real life size. But we're not going to make one that's real life size, so we're going to do a 1/20th scale model size. So we'll have to shrink it back down. I'm going to teach you how to do that. Your first assignment is on your handout. You want to fill out this table, where, just like we did before, you want to measure the centimeters on the drawing and feet in real life, and you want to figure out centimeters in real life and work out a scale factor, that just like we did. Here we notice that 5 centimeters on the drawing go to 8.2 feet in real life, which is the same thing as 250 centimeters in real life, which is the same thing as 1 centimeter on the drawing being equal to 5 centimeters in real life. In other words, we have a scale factor of 50. Now, you did this for homework last night, so get together with your group and fill out this for your entire group and make sure that each of you agree that the scale factor is what you say it should be. Then we need to go around figuring out how big the actual house is going to be. So go to your paper plans and make a measurement. To get to the real life size, you'll multiply by the scale factor, and that'll be your real life size measurement in centimeters. Then take that real life-size measurement and divide by 20, and that should give you the size of the house on your model plans. For example, for me, if I have the scale factor of 50 and I measure something that's 7 centimeters on the paper plans, I multiply by 50 to get real-life plans and find out that the actual size of the house is 350 centimeters in real life. But to get to the scale model, I divide that by 20 and find that 17.5 centimeters is the width on a scale model. So I put that here as a 17.5 centimeter width. You'll complete the same calculation for each of the widths and depths of the first and second floor. Then go to the side of the room and find the easel paper that has grid lines on it. Get 2 sheets of easel paper and draw boxes that indicate the outer walls of your house, where the width is the width that you calculated for the 1/20th model, and the length is the length that you calculated for the 1/20th model. When I come back tomorrow, I should see each group with 2 sheets of paper that have the boxes drawn that are the size of the house that you'll want it to be. We will talk about the rest of this when I get back tomorrow. When you're finished with the paper plans, roll them up together, make sure your name is on the outside, and place them in the fume hood. That's the place where you get the rulers. Please place your paper plans in there so that you can get them tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow to clear up any confusion. I'd like you just to try as hard as you can to follow all the instructions and do the best job you can today. We'll fill you in with everything that you need tomorrow. Good luck.